Hello everyone, our project is called Save the Rainforest, Save the World. Have you ever seen this picture before? These are the Amazon rainforest fire in Brazil. It is destructive and it happens usually cause great damage not only to the environment but also human beings. Actually, there are 40% of trees in Amazon rainforest die because of the fire. In Brazil, there has been 84% increase in forest fire compared to 2018. And besides, there are about 120,000 fires alert in 5 days according to WRI. And what is the similar case in Taiwan? In 1991, Japanese occupation, the government cut down the trees to make profits. So why is the rainforest disappearing speed is so fast and surprising? First, because of the increasing deforestation. In order to make money, many farmers illegally planted crops and grazing. Second, development. Nowadays, a huge amount of land is developed by farming and mining. Third, land invaders. They cut down the trees to make money from the destruction. Fourth, government. They didn't pay deep attention and take effective action to this problem.
Hello everyone, I'm Lane and I'm going to talk about the organization. The first one is vaccine information, and I will introduce the Rainforest Alliance. Rainforest Alliance is an international non-profit organization and it's founded in 1987 and located in New York. Their work is protect forests and improve the livelihood of farmers and forest communities. And they also use market forces to stop activity that sorry. That's called deforestation. And I will go to the next part, work content. And I divide it into 4 parts. The first one is protect wildlife and pristine land. The code government certified by Rainforest Alliance are great of to biodiversity. For example, the code government in El Salvador contains 100 tree species and also conserve valued creatures. And the second one is maintain the welfare of workers and their communities. And they give workers economic incentives to help them to protect sustainable land and help them reduce the soil erosion, maintain fertility, and clear water flow and treat worker properly. And farm with Rainforest Alliance certification can enter new markets and sell at higher prices and have more credibility. And go to the third one is provide responsible products and services to the market. The Rainforest Alliance certification introduced a management system called SAN to help farmers improve their management of their farm and help them increase their market, help them improve market advantage, and so on. And the last one is certificate for farm and forestry companies that meets comprehensive standard. Every year, Rainforest Alliance award the Green Earth Awards to organizations and government and companies which have made outstanding contribution to global environmental protection.
So after we introduce the organization, and now we want to achieve the goal same as the Rainforest Alliance. And this is our project goals. We want to protect the forest by
reducing the use of paper containers, and also share the method with our friends. And the first step of our action plan is to survey the store about the use of paper containers. And through the internet and the copy from companies, we will understand the situation of the paper container using, like which store use a lot of paper container and which store use less. And the step 2, we will start reducing the paper containers by ourselves. And we will use the reusable bags to put our food and drinks inside and to decrease the amount of using paper containers. And also, we want to testing and analyzing the problems of taking this into action. And the last step is to promote ideas to our friends. And through the social media or just by ourselves, we want to increase everyone's environmental protection awareness and also decrease the larger amount of used paper containers. So this is our prototype. We will make it into the poster or put it on the social media like Instagram stories. And we will hold a challenge called Reduce Paper Container Challenge. Try to encourage everyone to use the reusable bags. And if you want to see the rainforest like this again, all we need to do is start to take action. Only we do something, we can give the creatures in the rainforest their home back again. Thank you.